Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Speedy Join the mic. So today I'm gonna play you a very familiar rhythm, but when I was also playing around this rhythm, I found out we can learn a lot from this rhythm. So first of all, it's for those sometimes we have those individuals who say my pinky finger cannot move fast, or my index finger cannot move fast, or cannot play at all. So I think this rhythm is one of those rhythms that can kind of help us exercise. So first, point number one is going to help us to move our pinky finger, and then number two, string pulling. We have to know when we pull, when we slide, and all those. So this rhythm is going to also feature string pulling. Number three is going to be hammering. On number four, we have slides, and then number five is we get to play all six strings. So it's quite a good exercise. And number six, we have just one part in the rhythm where we let the third string ring while we play other strings. I'm going to demonstrate when we get to that part. And then lastly, it's just to understand, misambo. This is a slow beat. Let's go. We're in the key of C major. I first mentioned, what is involved in this rhythm. If you miss just one thing, the rhythm will start to sound different, So now I'm just going to explain when we get to each part, so that we can just know, okay, where is the hammering, where is the pulling, where is the slide, Okay, so first, this is all for the pinky finger. So that is for the pinky finger. And then we have string pulling. So you have to pull from here to here. So that was the string pulling. Here's the hammer. So you play your note, then you hammer. Let's try to learn your hammer. And here's a slide. Then part where I was saying, you have to let the string ring. Let me just play, and so that you can understand why that is very important. It's this part here. So you see, you play the note, the third string. So when you play it, you play other notes while that string is still ringing. Because once you play it and let it stop, you hear the emptiness in it. Like, let me play it without the ring. So like I said, once you remove, just one thing from the six things I mentioned, the rhythm will change, immediately. So you have to let it ring. Then you play your number six until I think it's like a quarter bar. So you let it ring for almost 1, 2. So if you are counting your beats 1, 2, it'll be 2 beats. So at that moment you play number 6 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then you go to your pool. You end your rhythm. So now I'm gonna play it slow, so that you can get it.